community and you're delivering for social impact at the same time. So absolutely, yes, they're the biggest drivers. And you mentioned experience there. I think there's another interesting interplay as well. So again, we mentioned it at the top, but consumer experience, the demands around personalisation, and kind of friction-free, that type of thing, never been higher, hasn't it? But again, that's changed from an employee perspective and partners in the ecosystem perspective too. So when we're looking at making security less complex, more visible, more integrated, we want shared responsibility. We want a lot of that for sustainability too.
Yeah, of course we do.
We need to be like looking at these things together, because if you don't get those foundation right, you're going to be losing people because the experience will be too complicated. You'll be missing things, it'll be siloed information, and people are prepared to walk away if the experience isn't right, but also what you stand for and what you deliver on isn't right either.
We're never going to meet our commitment in terms of emissions, in terms of scope 3, unless we fully understand that supply chain from end to end.
Absolutely.
Collaboratively work together with our partners. I know that our procurement team actively grade our partners and suppliers on their sustainability credentials.